I'm going to show you a little trick I use when I make pumpkin bread. I am making pumpkin bread with this, but the thing is, Libby asked for 4 eggs, 1 cup of water, and a half cup vegetable oils, and then 2 tablespoons milk or water. Instead of the milk, I am going to use something a little different. I mean, instead of water, I'm going to use creamer, pumpkin spice creamer. I've done this before with muffins. I'm making now. I've done it. You're also going to do this with any flavor. I've done it with muffins, done it with pancakes. You can even do it with French toast. And this is my little trick and idea. And I'm going to pause, stop the show, the video for a bit. But you already got the 4 eggs in there. I got the pumpkin puree. It's going to be put in there too. I got the oil. And got the pumpkin bread mix. And I also got the muffin pans, and I got the little cupcake wraps that goes in there to keep it from sticking to the side. Usually you can grease it, but I'm not doing that way. So I'm going to stop the video for a while and bring it back when I'm done mixing it. But I am adding, like I said, I am adding this into it. Okay, we are back. We got the oil in the measuring cup right there. And as you can see, there's a half cup right here. That's 1 cup. So I'm going to go up to right here where I'm pointing to put the creamer in. Because it asks for 1 cup of water. And instead of the water, I'm putting the creamer in there. So you'll see it actually being added in. And that's 1.5 cup. Because there's a half cup oil and 1 cup of creamer. So I'm going to mix this, put this all in with the rest of the ingredients. This way I can show you that it's actually going in. I also asked for 2 tablespoons of water or cream. So I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of the creamer. There's 1. And you can see, it says tablespoon. And then 2. So another trick about this, making this pumpkin bread or pumpkin muffins, when I use this creamer, I got it all in here already, as you can see. And I like to whip it up first. So what I'm going to do right now, it's going to get noisy, you're going to hear this. I'm going to go ahead and start whipping it up. I want to whip it up good enough that we got it all mixed real good. And a lot of them bubbles. one thing I want to do, I want to make sure I get a lot of these bubbles in here when I mix it. As you can see, there are some bubbles making now. I want to mix real good. So I already got that all mixed in. I'm going to use the same little machine I got to do the other mixing. And the trick on this, when you do this, you don't have to use this here for the pumpkin flavor, pumpkin spice flavor, or pumpkin bread or whatever. You can just use the creamer with the quick bread mix. They got this quick bread mix you can buy at the stores too. Or you can do a quick bread make from recipe from online. But remember, instead of adding water, you want to add that creamer. And it don't have to be pumpkin spice. You can use a hazelnut, you can use a mint chocolate one, or mocha chocolate, or whatever flavored creamer, and oh my gosh, so much better. And I do it with pancakes, and when you do it with pancakes, oh, so good, so good. I don't even use syrup with my pancakes when I make my pancakes with that. So I need to mix the rest of this. I'm going to mix the rest of this up. So I'm going to stop the video again and come back after I get this stuff mixed in there. So you might be able to hear my doggy's footprints walking around. I got a little puppy dog, poodle. Well, as you can see, it's all mixed up real nice and good. Excuse me, I got hiccups right now. And another thing I do, I use a ladle. One of these, I guess they call ladle. I'm not 100% sure. I call them dippers because, you know, the stars, Big Dipper, Little Dipper. When I add it in into the pans, I take about that much, let a little bit drip off the bottom. As you can see, it's dripping off the bottom. And it usually takes a little while. You can shake it off. Don't shake too hard. You get it all splashed around. And then I go and pour in the cupcake paper. Yeah, I did get a little bit on the side, but that's gonna happen. About the same amount. And this is going to be a little long process. So I'm going to stop the video again and come back. Alright, I got all that in there and got them all pretty well close to being even. As you can look, they're all pretty close to even. And now I'm going to put them in the oven. And oh, when they're done baking, I'm gonna break one open in front of you all and let you see how fluffy and soft it is. And I'm telling you, this is really delicious when you do bread like this here. When you use creamer, if you got quick bread recipe, instead of putting water in it and just regular cream, put flavor creamer in it, any flavor, and I'm telling you, it's going to taste a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and move the camera and get that stuff, move over to the oven. There's my oven right there. And grab this pan, set it in there on the middle rack. That's why I always have most of my stuff on the middle rack because it's set already. And then I'm going to go to my timer and set it for baking for muffins. It says, alright, we got them. I already pulled some out. My wife had one, and I already ate one out, pulled one out and ate part of it. But these, look how wonderful and tasty and delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm going to show you all what it looks like when it's torn open and bit into. Oh, it's so good. So good. Hang 1 minute. Now here's the one I already eaten. Oh, look how soft that is. So, so good. Gotta try this. Alright, thank y'all. Another thing I did when I made these, I showed you guys the pumpkin puree can that came with it. I only use half of it. Half of that pumpkin puree. This other half. We'll probably make something else with it, like pumpkin soup or something like that. But, yep, that's it. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys learn, try it out. Or I'm telling you, the kids and everybody's going to love it. Thank you.